I'd like to talk a little bit about the tools that I'm using to cut these pieces of aluminum. They're all made from high-speed steel. They're all hand cut according to the shape that I want. This is a radius tool that was cut using a coin to create the corner. The main curved shape is cut on the grinding wheel, and the shiny part is what was created when it was honed with the sharpening stone. And you can see this is the result. It takes a lot of work actually to get this thing to be sharp, and the surface area, the front leading surface area, I can feel it still has some imperfections, so it has to be worked quite a bit until it's right. And sometimes you really want to just get a good grip on this thing and just drag it across. Try and get as much contact as possible. It still looks a little rough there. Still have some weird marks there. The top looks really good. Yeah, I can see that there's still a problem in here. That may have been why I was getting such a rough edge on my first cut, and I was actually struggling with cutting through it too. It was screaming a lot. So let's give this one another hone. Well, this stone is pretty high quality round. You can see that it's picking up two high spots here already. Actually, it's really helped me looking at this thing through a macro lens. I couldn't see so close up, even with a magnifying glass. But I can see that leading edge is pretty ragged. And so that may have been what was causing my problems before. Okay, let's give this another try here. Alright, this is looking pretty good. Alright, that's looking pretty good. Well, the only way to really tell is to cut a piece of aluminum. Now we're going to find out how this baby works. You can see there's a lot of there's a lot to these blades. They're not just something you buy. I suppose you can buy something like this, but this is a custom curve. This was curved to match a coin, which was actually a Singapore nickel, which turned out to be the exact same diameter as my stone and the curve that I was looking for. Alright, let's pop one of these babies in and see how it cuts. Alright, got my tool in place. Looking pretty sweet. I'm really happy because I thought that when I tried this the first time, this radius tool was not going to work very well because I had a real problem with it. It was screaming like a burning witch. But this one is looking very nice. And these are all test parts. This is the first one. This one fits a little loosely. I have other ones that are a little bit tighter fit. So I have 24 tries to get this perfect, but already looks like we're on our way.